Question number 2. Sonia had a recurring deposit account in a bank and deposited rupees 600 per month for 2.5 years. If the rate of interest was 10% per annum, find the maturity value of this account. Given amount deposited by Sonia. P is equal to 600 rupees. And rate of interest is equal to 10%. N, time period N is equal to 2.5 years. 2.5 years, 2 into 12 plus 1 upon 2 into 12, that is 6 month. N is equal to 12 2 are 24 plus 6 months, which implies N is equal to 30. N equal to 30 months. Interest is equal to P multiplied by N into N plus 1 divided by 2 into 12 multiplied by R upon 100. Interest is equal to P into N plus 1 divided by 2 into 12 multiplied by R upon 100. Using the formula, interest is equal to PB have 600 into NB have 30 and 30 plus 1 N plus 1 divided by 2 into 12, that is 24 multiplied by R is equal to 10%, 10 upon 100. Interest is equal to 600 into 30 into 30 plus 1, 31 into 10 divided by 24 upon 100. 2 0 is cancelled. 6 ones are 6, 6 fours are 24, 2 twos are 4, 15 twos are 30, 2 ones are 2, 5 twos are 10. Interest is equal to 15 into 5, 75 into 31. 15 5s are 75 multiplied by 31 and denominator is equal to 1. So 75 into 31, 5 3s are 15, 7 3s are 21, 22. 5, 7 plus 5, 12, 3, 2, 1 carry. 1 plus 2 is 3, 2, 3, 2, 5. interest is equal to rupees 2325. And find the maturity value of this account. Maturity value is equal to P into N plus I, which implies P is 600, N is 30, plus interest is 2325. 6 3s are 18,000. Maturity value is equal to 18,000 plus 2325, which implies MB is equal to 18,2325 plus 52302 rupees 20325. Answer. We have given principal is equal to 600 rupees and rate of interest is equal to 10% and time period equal to 2.5 years. That is 2 year, 2 into 12, 24 month, and half year is 6 month. 12 upon 2, that is 6 month. 24 plus 6 is equal to total 30 months. N is equal to 30. Interest is equal to P into N, N plus 1 upon 2 into 12 multiply by R upon 100. Formula of interest is equal to P into N, N plus 1 upon 2 into 12 multiply by R percent, R upon 100. P is 600, N is 30, 30 plus 1 upon 12 2s are 24 multiply by 10 upon 100. So 2 0 is cancelled, 0 0 is cancelled, and 6 4s are 24, 2 2s are 4, 15 2s are 30, 2 1s are 2, 5 2s are 10. We are multiplying 15 into 5, that is 75. 75 multiplied by 31, that is equal to 2325 rupees. Its interest. Interest is equal to 2325 rupees. Maturity value is equal to P into N plus interest. P is 600 into N is 30 plus 2325, and maturity value is equal to P into N 18,000 plus 2325, and their sum is equal to 20325 rupees. MB is equal to rupees 20,325. Answer. Thank you so much.